So Nacascolo Beach, Colinas de Miramar, townhouse. And we have the view over Nacascolo Bay. So we are like 10-minute drive from San Juan del Sur, north. A pool, good size, with like a low part for kids. So deep part here, I think it's like 150 deeper, and here over there, perfect for kids. 3 bedrooms house, so you see, large terrace. So we have the kitchen there, living room there. We have the first bedrooms here with his dressing. It's not walking closet, but his closet and his own bathroom. We have like a toilet on the bottom for guests, and 2 bedrooms upstairs with their own bathroom. So 3 bathrooms and a half, 3 bedrooms, a pool, and view over Nacascolo Bay. So it's a 1 kilometer view. Really, it's just here. So it's like a less than 10-minute drive. Okay, particularity of this house, it's not furnished. So you have to buy your furniture, which is actually good. So you have like a nice ceramic on the floor. You see like ceiling fans. And we get into our living room with this kitchen bar. And here, living room. So TV could be, where it could be the TV over there, I guess. Okay, so kitchen has all the cabinets with ceramic, just missing your oven, your fridge. But if not, everything is ready. And we have also the view over San Juan. So my parking lot, we have like 2 spaces. I'm coming in the first bedroom on the bottom. This one is nice because it has access to the terrace and then the pool. He has no ocean view from the room. Even see here, of course, we see around Playa Marsella straight. It has his own bathroom, but there is no power connected today for me, so we'll not like this, we won't see. Okay, here we have a toilet and then inventory room or grocery room. Go up. So about 22 stairs. And we have our second level with here an incredible view over Playa Nacascolo. So the main room here is the master bedrooms, as from the bed, a very nice view, very, very nice view. A small terrace. So ceiling fan, no AC has been installed yet. Closet here, and the bathroom. Same things, I linked pictures and you will probably see more on my pictures, and a large bathroom. Okay, with here the cabinets. Main entrance of the second floor, you see you have a small cabinet closet here to store stuff. Get in the second bedrooms, a bit shorter than the main one. Has also, so no ocean views, wanting views with closet and bathroom. All right. Here actually we'll see the bay of San Juan del Sur. So there is ocean view from the second bedroom too. Okay. Hope you like the video. House for sale in San Juan del Sur.